Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and immediate environment. Check that your client and router both support 5 GHz and that you're within reasonable range. Interference kills throughput. Once done, power cycle the modem, router, and your device with 30 to 60 seconds between each restart to clear transient states. Make sure to temporarily disable VPN, proxy, and local firewall on the client so nothing blocks DHCP or DNS during tests. This lets you isolate network versus device-level issues quickly. You now dive into router configuration to fix the common middle causes. Log into the admin page and confirm the 5 GHz SSID is active using WPA2 or WPA3. Open networks often restrict internet access. Then, set a stable channel. Try lower 5 GHz channels like 3648 or let auto choose while testing 20, 40, and 80 MHz widths. This reduces interference. Make sure DHCP is enabled and issuing IPs, check for recent firmware updates, and disable guest isolation if the client should access the internet. Finish by fixing the client and validating the path. On your device, forget the 5 GHz SSID, clear stored APs, then reconnect and renew the DHCP lease so you get a fresh IP and DNS. You should then test with another device to determine if the issue is device-specific. Run a ping to 8 and a traceroute to observe where packets stop. If problems persist, change DNS to 1 or 8. And as a last resort, factory reset the router. If that fails, check cabling and contact ISB.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.